Installing drivers on your Windows PC is essential for optimal performance and compatibility with hardware devices. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of installing drivers on a Windows PC, ensuring a smooth and functional experience. Step 1. Identify the device and obtain the driver. Determine the device for which you need to install drivers, such as a printer, graphics card, or sound card. Visit the manufacturer's website or use Windows Update to obtain the latest driver for the specific device. Step 2. Prepare for installation. Ensure your computer is connected to the internet. Disconnect the device from your computer if it is already connected. Step 3. Launch Device Manager. Press the Windows key plus X and select Device Management from the menu that appears. The Device Manager window will open, displaying a list of devices connected to your computer. Step 4. Locate the device. In the Device Manager, find the category that corresponds to the device you want to install drivers for. Expand the category to reveal the specific device. Step 5. Install the driver. Right-click on the device and select Update Driver. Choose the option to automatically search for drivers online. If you have the driver file downloaded, select Browse My Computer for drivers. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. Repeat this step for any additional devices that require driver installation. Step 6. Reconnect the device. Once the driver installation is complete, reconnect the device to your computer if necessary. Windows will automatically recognize the device and apply the installed drivers. Step 7. Verify installation. Ensure that the device appears in the Device Manager without any warning or error symbols. Test the device to confirm if it's functioning properly. Test the device to confirm it is functioning correctly. Tip: regularly check for driver updates to ensure optimal performance and compatibility with your hardware devices. Create a system restore point before installing or updating drivers to have a fallback option in case of issues.